The main problem, immediately first I will tackle that issue. That is about the universities. In some college, that lady problem that appeared in the papers. So I came only after yesterday's paper, no? Yesterday's, all the newspapers. Matter is very serious. We condemn it. It should not have happened. And the guilty whoever is has to be punished. One committee has taken place. We have nominated. That is Mr. Santhanam. He is upright a senior experienced officer. You know, former equivalent to the chief secretary level. Very straightforward. And I think within a week's time he will submit his report. Then whoever is guilty, action will be taken. Strict action will be taken. There should be no doubt in anybody's mind.
She says that she has videos of you that she sent to students. She drops your name in the phone call. She mentions governor and she says that she has access.
What she has mentioned? Have you gone through the tape?
Yes, sir, I have. It looks 90 minutes.
What is that? What she has mentioned? One thing I tell you, I attend so many convocations. Most of the members of the Senate and others, they occupy the dais. They move here and there. How am I supposed to know if somebody is moving here and there?
But she says she has access to you. She
Huh?
drops your name in the conversation. She says she has access to you.
I have not seen the face even today, till date. What you are talking?
So there appears to be a
And
clear...
one thing, I am surrounded by my entire team. No, even the bird can't approach me without my permission.
So from the conversation in that recorded tape, it appears that...
That you have not gone through the entire tape. He has told in the tape that he is just like my grandfather. Katya, what is the word? Huh?
Not the governor, but she does claim you have access to you.
I have not seen the face even.
Why don't you transfer the case to CBI? Any bar is there?
After receiving the report, that committee has been formed, no? After receiving the report,
After receiving it, you will be transfer the case to CBI?
we will see what is to be done.
Okay.
That
there
I
appears...
am going to decide later on.
Sir, but
Sir, there appears to be a sex scandal rocking the Madurai Kamaraj University, linking the governor, going by what the tape...
What?
Linking by what the tape has.
That is all nonsense.
Shouldn't you ask for a CBI probe? Shouldn't you ask for a CBI probe?
There is nothing needed. When it will be needed, I am the first man to order. Don't worry.